Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Mario Armstrong, digital lifestyle expert and entrepreneur. And look, spring is a great time to refresh your home office. So that's why I've partnered up with some great brands to help you do just that. We're going to give you a home office makeover. Let's start with the finances. I can't stand running around looking for all those piles of receipts and trying to organize invoices and documents. It's all overwhelming, especially during tax season. So you got to use the Epson Rapid Receipt RR600W wireless scanner. It's going to help you simplify all that tax prep and say goodbye to manually entering data. Thank you so much, Epson, for that. With advanced financial software, Rapid Receipt accurately extracts and organizes the data right from your receipts and invoices, and then easily integrates that into Excel, QuickBooks, TurboTax, and cloud storage. And my favorite part is that there are no subscription fees. Regularly, this costs $499. It's available in the Epson store and select major retailers nationwide. Right now, through tax season, you can save $100 and get it for $399.99. By the way, save the receipt when you do, so you can write it off, okay? Go to epson.com/receipt-scanners for that. Now, we all need a little bit of sprucing up on these videos that we're doing from home. Come on, you guys got to step up your video content. We got to do these collaborations and video calls better. This is the Webex Desk Mini. It will take you to a whole other level. It's an all-in-one collaboration device that connects people and teams together. It's designed for taking meetings in any room, has an interactive display, an HD camera, full-range speaker, and it comes in 5 colors. The Webex Desk Mini works with Zoom, Microsoft, Google, and of course Webex. And I love that it has noise cancellation, video backgrounds, and you can start a meeting with a single click, gesture, or simply using your voice. Starts at $1,695 for Webex meeting customers. Just head to webex.com. Now, if you're like me, you need to have a backup for all your files and all that great data. This is the My Passport Drive from WD. It's my go-to device for keeping all my favorite photos, videos, music, and documents safe. It's conveniently small. Look at this. It fits right in the palm of my hand. You can take it with you anywhere. It's available in black, white, red, and blue, and up to 5 terabytes of storage. That's a lot. WD's My Passport Drive also comes equipped with backup software that can be set to run automatically on your Windows device, and the drive can be used with Windows, Mac, and Chromebooks too. It starts at $59.99 for 1 terabyte. Just head to WD.com for more info there. And if you're in need of a bigger solution for working with those digital files, check this out. This is the Western Digital WD Red Plus 6 terabyte hard drives. This enables workers in a home-based business or small business to collaborate on, store, and back up important files, including videos and other data. Look, many companies don't want to store their data in the cloud. So when you plug these drives into a NAS device like the 4-bay solution from QNAP, it's a perfect alternative to cloud storage since all your data remains protected and with you on site. Now, if you're interested in that, the 6 terabyte WD Red Plus hard drives are around $130 each. 4 of those would be about $520. The QNAP 4-bay NAS box device, that runs around $549. So all in, a little over $1,000. Just head to westerndigital.com. And if you need more details on everything I covered, we got everything up on our website. Just head to killerapps.com. And if you're into that business stuff and entrepreneurship, come join my new podcast. It's called Parents Making Profits. It's on the HubSpot Podcast Network. We'd love to have you there and be a part of the podcast listening audience. See you soon.